Kenya has established direct trade linkages with the United Arab Emirates through corresponding special export zones, cooperatives and SMEs. Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelugui says Kenya has already identified 73 areas for strategic trade with several countries where special duty-free rules will apply, especially for manufacturing. Chelugui further notes that this will create organized market outlets for small-scale operators and will aid in pushing Kenyan SMEs into being recognized as organized formal units.
We are keen to learn more from UAE in terms of sustainable agriculture, innovation and productive ways of SMEs to push us towards food secure position and resilient and sustainable businesses.
Companies here in Kenya find their way out in the globe because the companies we are partnering have already set base, they are already solid, they have already gotten access to the global market, and therefore for us it is easier for us to trade with them, and so that they can be able to take our products there.
Through this partnership we can have a quick way of uplifting our small and micro enterprises to big corporates by partnering with other businesses across our globe.
You can see the number of trade increase between both countries, and this is our target for the people in the private sector, and we're looking forward to continue this journey